Hello, welcome to Learn Assamese course Level 1, Reading Writing Module 1. So, in this module, we will be learning some Assamese alphabets which looks like triangle. So, let me quickly share the screen. Okay, here you can see the alphabets that we are going to learn today. They all look like a triangle. Let me annotate them. As you can see, there is a triangle in each of them, like this. The base is like a triangle. It's like this, and so on. No? And for example, the first letter is a triangle, then you have one extra line over here. So we'll go through this triangle-looking alphabets. So first letter is Bo. Okay. This first letter is Bo. As you can see, it has a triangle and one matra or bar on top. So it sounds like Bo, like James Bond. And few uses Bon, Bononi, Boza. And if you know Hindi or Devanagari, the equivalent is also written here, like a word, Bo. The second letter is Ko, which sounds like C-O-Ko in condition, Ko. Some uses are call, banana, komola, orange, key, but equivalent devanagari looks like this. So here also you can see the base letter it has got this triangle. Then of course it has got this the bar, and what it has, this extra component is this hook at one side. So it makes ko. Likewise, second letter is your raw. It's like raw in raw, R-A raw in raw. It has got the same triangle, and the extra part is this triangle. You need to cut it in between, in the middle, like this. Okay, and this is the definitely equivalent. Then followed by wo, and here you can see the triangle is same, still there. And only thing is, you need to put a small line below the triangle, right here. I'm not able to write here. Here. So below the triangle, you need to write this small line, and it sounds like W, like English equivalent is a W. And some uses are, wo, like bua, zua, and definitely equivalent is this wo. Then next letter is jo. It sounds like J, but you need to pronounce it slightly differently with the H the end, like jo, jorna, jok, jok. And here the extra line that comes is behind, like this, apart from the original bo. Okay. And then comes the next letter, which is dha. The ko had a hook behind. Now the dha has a hook on top of it. Okay. Here is the extra part, and it doesn't have this matra or the bar on top of it, and it's called dantiya dha. Then we have another letter that looks like, and this is the last letter in this series. This looks, it has little bit complicated than the other ones. It looks like dove, but here this part on the top, it has got double book like this. So you put that door, then the bow part is still same. And you also need this part that came from the jaw. So it is a little bit complicated, but once you practice, you'll know. The pronunciation is also a little bit rough. It's like a re, just like the rolling R and quite common in Spanish, like a raw. You need to trigger a little bit raw. Roll your tongue. Okay. And few uses is rin, loan, riki, say the saint, and this is the dictionary equivalent. Okay. So all these letters looks like the triangle. I mean, it has a triangle in it, and you can practice by combining different combinations of these letters. Now, once you know these letters, as I mentioned in the introduction, you go back to your chart and make a round of the letter. For example, you have seen ko, make a round like this, and you have wo like this, ro like this, and bo, and so on. Just find out in this chart. Okay. Now going back to the chart over here, I mean the original module 1. So after getting introduced to these alphabets, you can go through the vocabulary that we have in this on the exercise or in the in this part of the module. There are very few of them, and you can see different combinations of these letters make different word, and these are the English meaning. And you have seen this is small apostrophe. Where is so this small apostrophe, you can see this apostrophe makes a sound a little bit like O. Like if you do not put the apostrophe, it will be kobo. But once you put the apostrophe, then it becomes kobo. Okay, we'll tell the future tense of the to say the tell one. Okay, then once you go through this alphabets, you can practice the matching this sound versus the alphabet. Then you can try to read and write all these letters. I mean all these words. Then in this week, every day, I want you to write these alphabets once every day. Once one line every day. Day 1, day 2, day 5. So every day of the week you write them. And just to practice and to demonstrate how the alphabet, the letter is written, you can follow this part of the module. Here with the arrow mark, it shows the strokes that you need to put together to write that letter. Okay, you can practice this as well so that you can remember them. And once this is done, we have some more exercise where you can read as well as write them. Okay, try this exercise, do this exercise again and again so that you can remember the letters, and in the subsequent modules we'll be reusing these alphabets again and again. Thank you.